Welcome to Dark Creation Studios. In this video, we'll be showing you guys how to draw the nose two different ways. So let's get into it. Alright guys, so as you can see, we already have our two heads sketched out right here, both a front and a side view. Alright, so we'll go in here and we will start with the front view. So right in line with the bottom of the ears right here, we'll go in and put in two lines. So just like that. There's for the nose, there's the nostrils. Alright, cool. So that is pretty much it, guys. Really simple. Now we're gonna move over to the right hand side and we're gonna do the side view of the nose now. Alright guys, so for the side view of the nose, we just gonna come down here with this triangle shape. And then we could go in and put in this line here for the nostril. Then we'll just clean up the triangle shape a little bit. But yeah guys, that is pretty much it for the side view of the nose. And yeah guys, if you want to be a little fancy with it, you could also add some shadow underneath the nose. So you can see we're doing that right here for the front view. And then we could also do that for the side view as well. Alright, awesome. Alright guys, so we finished with the sketch, so we're going to kick it into time lapse so you guys can see the final results, and we'll be back. Alright guys, so we're back after the time lapse, and as you can see, clean. And during the time lapse, you can see we also went in here and adding some hair to the character. Don't worry about this too much guys, because remember, it's a nose tutorial. Hair is something that could be touched on in our other video. But yeah guys, that is what we did. And we also added like some little lines above the nose for some detail. You guys don't have to worry about that as well. And with that being said, BAM! There you have it guys, the final illustration. That's pretty much it for the video. We hope you learned something, we hope you enjoyed, and we hope to see you guys on the next one. Alright, see ya.